Hi, I'm Jan, and I founded SmartGuide to help you with smart destination management. SmartGuide is a platform for digital guides, quite like YouTube is a platform for video. SmartGuide platform provides the most advanced destination management and guiding technology, ready-made, so you can save time and budget, attract more independent travelers, and make their visit more engaging. You can easily upload your travel guides on the SmartGuide platform, just like you upload a video on YouTube. Travelers have Google Maps, TripAdvisor, Booking, Uber, wherever they go. And they also prefer to have a single smart guide than installing a different app for every place they visit. The Smart Guide app turns a traveler's phone into a safe and engaging personal guide. It guides you whenever it suits you at your own pace, outside of the crowds, and tells you interesting stories from local guides about the places you visit. Travelers enjoy the visit and learn more, conveniently listening to stories rather than reading. They explore even the less visited places self-guided and only touch their own phone so they stay safe from COVID. You can have such a professional digital guide ready in a matter of hours and without any IT development. In our content management system, you just locate places of interest on the map, type in text and upload images. We will generate audio as you type with the best AI-powered text-to-speech system, or you can upload your own audio files. You don't need any development. It is as simple as uploading a video on YouTube. Your destination will immediately be visible to all travelers, and they can easily share places they like with their friends to increase the word of mouth. And our team will support you with further marketing. SmartGuide uses modern, scalable, and secure cloud technology and takes care of all the app updates, maintenance, and even end-user support. So you don't have to involve IT or worry about anything. Now you might think that this is nice, but you don't have the budget for it. The good news is that even though we spent more than €500,000 developing this technology, and it offers much more than most destination apps, it is just the basic version that SmartGuide offers readily available for free. With just a small budget, you can get even more benefits, such as full offline mode, detailed user analytics, more visibility, or the ability to send users messages. And we can also help you craft great content. So, for example, besides having an application, you can publish the same guide also on your own website simply by adding one line of code. All content is then in sync, and travelers can easily start planning on your website and then continue in the app, which provides better experience on the go with GPS, navigation, offline, and audio playback. You can also get amazing big data insights on visitors, how they behave, where they go, how much time they spend there, and what they like, what they find interesting, and what is boring. This really enables smart destination management and can help you get funding from many new tourism development grant programs. And of course, all of this data is GDPR compliant. Or you can send messages about events taking place, promotions, or even emergencies straight to your visitor's phone. By joining SmartGuide, you will promote your destination to independent travelers who will see it in nearby trips. But you can also promote your hotels, restaurants, activities, or a tourist card. You can attract various audiences by preparing special content for families or recommended accessible routes for the disabled, and providing the guide in multiple languages. This provides a real boost for your entire travel ecosystem. Top destinations globally already choose SmartGuide as their official guide. For example, Switzerland Tourism digitized the walking tours to promote tourism in 24 Swiss cities in 4 languages in just 6 weeks. Prague inspired visitors to spend 30% of their time outside of the crowded city center by telling them interesting stories about less visited places. Now is your chance to restart tourism to be more sustainable and distribute visitors more evenly across the entire destination rather than overcrowding at the top spots. Singapore National Heritage Board uses SmartGuide to inspire both locals and visitors to discover local hidden gems and to collect feedback from tourists with custom surveys. SmartGuide is also very suitable for small towns and villages where developing an own app makes even less sense. Engaging stories from local guides can inspire tourists to visit even places that would not normally be on their travel plans and to stay there longer. These are just a few examples of how SmartGuide already helps other destinations. So, are you also ready to join the future of travel? Let me know, and we will be happy to show you what SmartGuide can do for you.